Welcome. I am glad you are here. Today, we are starting a new episode. This episode is for people who want to stop translating in their mind and start thinking directly in English. This lesson is calm. This lesson is practical. And this lesson is for daily life. If you can think in English, speaking English becomes much easier. Let us begin. Many English learners have the same problem. They know words. They know some grammar. They can understand English when they listen. But when they want to speak, their mind goes blank, or their mind starts translating from their own language into English. This translation creates delay. This delay creates fear, and fear stops speaking. Today, we will slowly break this habit. First, understand one very important thing. Thinking in English is not magic. It is a habit. Habits are built slowly. One small step every day. You do not wake up one day and suddenly think in English all the time. You train your mind gently. Now let us talk about what thinking in English really means. Thinking in English does not mean using big words. It does not mean speaking fast. Thinking in English means using simple English inside your mind. Short sentences, clear ideas. That is all. Let us start with awareness. Most of the time you think automatically. You do not notice your thoughts. From today, start noticing. When you wake up, ask yourself, what am I thinking right now? Slowly, try to change one small thought into English. For example, when you wake up, you may think about your day. Change it to English. You can think, today is a new day. I will do my work. I will practice English. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. Now let us talk about daily routine thinking. Your daily routine is the best teacher. You do the same things every day. Use those moments. When you brush your teeth, think, I am brushing my teeth. When you drink water, think, I am drinking water. When you walk, think, I am walking slowly. This may feel strange in the beginning. That is normal. New habits always feel strange. Now, let us talk about emotions. Emotions are strong. They help memory. When you feel something, name it in English. For example, I feel tired, I feel happy, I feel stressed, I feel calm. This connects English with your real life. Now, let us talk about thinking speed. Do not rush. Slow thinking is good. Slow thinking is clear thinking. If you rush, you will translate. Stay slow. Now, let us talk about questions. Ask yourself questions in English. For example, what am I doing right now? How do I feel? What is my plan today? Answer in simple English. Even one-word answers are okay. Now, let us talk about common fear. Many learners say, my English is too weak to think in English. This is not true. You do not need advanced English to think. You need basic English, and you already have that. Now let us talk about using present tense. Present tense is your best friend. Most daily thoughts are in present tense. Use it. Now let us talk about past thinking. At night, think about your day in English. For example, today was busy. I worked a lot. I practiced English. I feel satisfied. This reflection is powerful. Now let us talk about future thinking. Think about tomorrow in English. For example, tomorrow, I will wake up early. I will study. I will rest. This builds planning skills in English. Now let us talk about mistakes in thinking. You will make mistakes. That is fine. No one hears your thoughts. Do not correct too much. Flow matters more than accuracy. Now let us talk about vocabulary limitation. If you do not know a word, use a simple word. For example, instead of a complex word, say good or bad. Simple English is real English. Now let us talk about avoiding translation. Translation is a habit. Do not fight it hard. Replace it gently. If a thought comes in your language, pause. Say it again in simple English. Now let us talk about inner voice. Your inner voice becomes your speaking voice. Train it well. Now let us talk about thinking aloud. Sometimes, think aloud softly. This connects thinking with speaking. For example, I am making tea. This helps fluency. Now, let us talk about mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Say simple thoughts. This builds confidence. Now, let us talk about thinking during idle time. When you wait, when you travel, when you sit quietly. Use this time. Think in English. Now, let us talk about consistency again. 5 minutes daily thinking is enough. Do not try to think in English all day. Start small. Now let us talk about pressure. Do not pressure yourself. Pressure kills learning. Be gentle. Now let us talk about comparison again. Do not compare your thinking speed with others. Everyone is different. Now let us talk about listening support. When you listen to English daily, your thinking improves naturally. Listening feeds thinking. Now let us talk about reading support. Read simple English. This gives your mind sentence patterns. Now, let us talk about patience again. Thinking in English is slow in the beginning. Then it becomes natural. Now, let us talk about identity. Start telling yourself, I am an English learner. I am training my mind. This mindset helps. Now, let us talk about daily commitment. Promise yourself. Today, I will think 1 minute in English. Tomorrow, 2 minutes. Now, let us talk about calm confidence. Calm thinking builds calm speaking. Now, let us talk about fear reduction. When your mind is already in English, speaking feels less scary. Now, let us talk about practice example. Think now. I am listening. I am learning. I feel calm. I understand more. This is thinking in English. Now let us talk about long-term result. After months, English thoughts come automatically. This is the goal. Now let us talk about enjoyment. Enjoy the process. Do not make it heavy. Now let us talk about mistakes again. Mistakes are signs of growth. Now let us talk about trust. Trust small steps. Now let us talk about daily reminder. Put a reminder. Think in English. Now let us talk about ending your day. End with gratitude. I tried today. I will try again tomorrow. Now remember this clearly. Thinking in English is not about forcing. It is about replacing slowly. Welcome English into your mind. Welcome simple thoughts. Welcome patience. Practice daily. Stay calm. Trust yourself. You are training your mind. You are building fluency. You are moving forward. Welcome to your English thinking journey.